balance that comes from trust and collaboration. Let's cheer them on with our hearts as they build this magnificent structure, demonstrating not just physical strength but also the spirit of companionship.
सांसों में छिपा है ये पुरखों की कृपा है ये दिखलाएगा रास्ता अधयोगानुशासनम अधयोगानुशासनम दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध जो अपने आप सिद्ध जो रखना इस पे आस था अधयोगानुशासनम योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
विश्व को भेंट दी हमने योग है योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है अधयोगानुशासनम अधयोगानुशासनम
बुद्धियुक्तो जहागीह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् भारत ने ही योग सिखाया जग में फैलाया
विश्व ने अपनाया नियंत्रण आया रोग पे
विश्व ने जैसे है पाया जो अधिकार ये अब आरोग्य पे है सब हो पाया योग से सदियों से रहा है ये सब ये ने कहा है ये
हरदम देगा आसरा
अधयोगानुशासनम अधयोगानुशासनम योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
ये शरीर और मन का संजोग है
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है योगारंभ The students really deserve a huge round of applause. The display that they have shown is extremely marvelous. It is not yet completed. So I request every parent to encourage them. Your appreciation, your encouragement, the inspiration that they get is truly worthwhile. Please put your hands together. that this is something very spectacular by the students. So if you think this is something spectacular, they deserve a huge round of applause.
move on to a truly inspiring and vibrant segment of the event. Next, we have a patriotic dance performance that is sure to fill our hearts with pride and joy. The students of classes 8th and 9th have worked tirelessly to bring this performance to life, celebrating the spirit of our nation through rhythm and movement. So, without further ado, let's welcome the talented dancers to the stage with a warm round of applause.
And after this patriotic dance, we will go with the prize distribution of yesterday's events. And those who are the winners, please come near the stage to receive the prize. After this patriotic dance, we will have the prize distribution of yesterday's events that was held here. 200-meter race and other things. Please, all the students who got the